This video assumes that you've already completed the following by backing up your folders and restarting the service and letting the library scan complete. Once we do that, we can actually move the Fanart folders to a central location. It's very easy to do. First thing we need to do is go into one of the default locations that you'll find your current Fanart. That is, if you've been using BMT up to this point. Otherwise, you would just have to create the folders wherever you would want it, the Fanart folder, then proceed with these steps. But since I've already got Fanart for this this test base, I will show you from there. So if we go into, mine is in SageTV, user data, Phoenix, Fanart. So all I really want to do is take this folder, the entire thing, and I'm just going to drop it right here. I'm going to move it, not copy it. And as long as I'm maintaining the movies and TV subfolders, it doesn't really matter what this name is. I can call it Central Fanart folder if I like. It doesn't really matter. So now it has been physically moved. It is no longer residing in the Phoenix subfolder in my particular case. So now from the web GUI, we jump in here and we see that it is currently set to there. We haven't actually changed anything in here. Phoenix, Fanart metadata options, and here again we can see user data area. We have two options here. We can physically type the path. That's mine. Or we can use the ellipsis and choose the list routes C Fanart, whichever you prefer. If you've got a network path, network share, you probably want to just type it in. It'd be a lot faster, but in this case it doesn't matter how you do it, just get it in there, and most importantly, click save. And you can see by looking here, Fanart folder, C Fanart. That's my new location, and I can even go into here and browse, and you'll see that this is located here. And at first you'll see, it's missing all the Fanart, right? Well, it's not really. It's a caching issue. If I go in here and refresh configuration and clear that image cache, go back to browse DVDs, they'll pop up. It's not a big deal. If you could do the same thing by closing and relaunching BMT's web GUI, and they'd come right back. So don't get worried if you don't see your Fanart, and these are obviously missing them, so no big deal.